fall, you idiot.
Holy shit.
Come on, you got it. You got it. Ah!
Oh shit. Oh shit. No way, Antonio.
You're right.
Dude, I wish I had hydraulic brakes when that happened to me. This has the potential to be nasty. I'm not moving the camera. There you go, Antonio.
I might go down there in a bit. You know, do some nasty shit. Oh, that's a highway.
Alright. Holy!
Try that one. No, Tushy, no.
Did Antonio make it up yet?
Not yet.
Stop digging around and try to make it up.
Yeah, he better make it up fast. He's coming here.
No, he's not trying it yet.
Dude, he can make it up that
Wait,
one.
doesn't this look more simple to do?
This? Yeah, almost.
Yeah, it looks so much easier.
Yeah, just come out here.
But you can't catch speed down here.